Give me the name. Names. First president of Palestine. Give me the name. One name.
No, I don't know.
What you don't know? You believe in Palestine. Give me one name.
I believe I support humanity.
So tell me.
Okay.
Tell me. Palestine.
Okay. I mean to say.
Wait a minute.
So many times.
Tell me Palestine is fake.
No.
Say this.
So many
Palestine
times you killed.
fake. Why no? Palestine don't have history. Palestine don't have a government. Palestine don't have a president. Palestine don't have history. So tell me Palestine is fake.
Why fake? They don't
Tell me,
deserve.
Palestine is fake.
They don't deserve life.
Do you love Israel?
Why are you asking me a bullshit question? Why?
Why? Because for Palestine, you want to tell me?
I like humanity, not the genocide.
Whoa, it's fake. Tell me, I want to ask you something. I have.
Okay,
I can?
sure. You can ask.
Okay, tell me what that's Palestine.
Palestine, so many innocent people dying by Israel.
Tell me, Palestine is fake.
Not fake.
Okay, it's not fake. It's a country.
It's not country because of you.
It's not country. So what's this Palestine? Answer.
Palestine should be a country because you are killing so many people in Gaza. Everyone should long life, and you are killing. So it's a bad thing or not?
Who is
In Israeli people in Gaza so many times.
What's that 17th October? You know something about this?
Yeah, I know. Only 7 October you can tell, but so many times you attack in Gaza. So many times you attack in Gaza. It's right?
What?
Still now, so many people in Gaza are starving because of Israel.
Who is starting the 7th October? Israel or Gaza? Who is starting?
Who is starting? You tell me.
The Hamas from Gaza?
No. You starting. You started. Now tell me, you also start a war with Iran, right?
Okay.
Is it right?
Yes.
So, what is the condition right now?
Worms?
Who will win in this war?
Nothing.
Why nothing? You start a war with Iran, and also USA support you.
You are question, so but you know answer of my question.
No, you can give my answer. You start a war with Iran. So now tell me who will win?
How much government Palestine have?
No, you can answer my question, okay? You start
No.
a war with Iran. So who will win?
I ask first.
You start or not?
I ask first.
Tell me, you start or not?
You answer me, I answer you, okay? How much Palestine? How much government Palestine have?
I don't know.
Okay, tell me something about Palestine. Something about the history.
What do you want?
Yeah.
What do you want to know?
I'm from Israel. I believe in Israel, okay?
Okay.
So tell me something. The Ben Gurion is the first
I'm
government.
not from Palestine, okay? I'm from Bangladesh.